welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you could be notified for all my new videos. Hi guys! Happy Monday! How's everybody? Did everyone have a good weekend? I had a great weekend. It was really nice. Oh my god, I did so much this weekend. It was a really good weekend, actually. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I'm just rethinking how good the weekend was. I scored at Dollar Tree, guys. Scored at Dollar Tree. I know you're not here for a Dollar Tree video. I wonder if this video is going to be too long. If the video is not too long, I will show you everything I bought at Dollar Tree. But it's so much stuff. Like, I bought everything. Everything fall related, I bought one or multiples of, because that's how good they were. And I really need, I'm gonna babble. Okay, I'm enough talking about Dollar Tree. I know you're here for the tour of Angela's bedroom. It has turned out so cute. Guys, keep in mind that we've only been here just a few days over a month. So I'm really, I'm pretty impressed. I've done a lot. Like, the house is real come together in a month, and I'm even impressed. I must have been working really hard. Okay, her room turned out so cute, but before I explain that, okay, my daughter is an only child. If you don't know this yet, I only have one child, so she's a little on the spoiled side. Maybe a lot. But I love her. She's such a good girl. Honestly, she is such a good girl. And I mean, I hear horror stories of other people's teenage girls. Mine does do the eye rolling, so I'm not going to say she's perfect. But most of the time, she's a really, really good girl. But my God, this child is her mother's child, obviously, because she likes to change her room constantly. So this room is on a budget. Because we just did Miss Angela's room glam theme literally last year. So now she wanted a rustic theme. So you'll have to see, there's a few things that I don't love yet. They're not great. They don't look great, but I'm going to pan around and I'm going to show you everything we did so far. Okay, guys, this is what I have on her door. It's a little teal, I don't know, wreath, I guess it is. She wants to paint it out. I'm going to change it up for her too. But here's her room. It is so cute. So it's not a very big room, but it's really nice. So I really like it. And I'll give you a tour. Behind this door right here is her bathroom. And I'll show you that in another day. But here's her dresser. It's just a dresser from IKEA. I got the glass on top of it. She's got her little jewelry box and some greenery, some mercury glass. You could tell it's my style. She loves Bath & Body Works just as much as I do. And yes, ma'am, she stole my crazy happy sign. I love that sign. This is the mirror I showed you guys. I think it looks great. It looks fabulous. It really does look like a faux wood, like a wood mirror. But as I showed it in a previous shopping haul, it's actually just plastic. But I think it gives a look. And then above her mirror, we hung this little sign. It says, when I get tired of shopping, I sit down and try on shoes. You'll see why in a minute, because I'm going to show you her closet. So here she's got this little shelf. She's had two of them in her room before, so we kept the one. She's got some trinkets up there. I'm not quite sure. Down here, she's got her little teddy bear, some boxes. That storage unit there is her makeup. And then this is her, little, oh my God, the sun is glaring like crazy. This is her little makeup area / where she does homework. I wouldn't say this child does too much homework, but... And then her night tables are also from IKEA. You can see them there. We did change out the knobs. Now, we changed out the knobs a while ago when she did the glam. But This is her bed. It's a double bed, so the room's pretty decent for a double bed. She still has the glam lamps. I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and get new lamps for sure for her because she doesn't like these anymore. And there's her horse painting that I hauled. Oh my God, I hauled this long time ago. And those two um, wall sconces, I guess they are. They're from Kirkland if you guys are interested. Okay, and then over here in this corner, there's the other horse painting. It's like on a canvas. And there's her Hey Y'all sign. She loves that sign. She was so happy when I brought it home. There's that horse painting. You can see it better now because I did haul this. I think I hauled it I think I hauled it in the last video. The lighting up here is much better so you could see it better. And excuse the barking dogs outside. Mia's barking at some other dogs. Okay, guys, there's her closet door. There's me. I'm gonna get out of the frame. So here's her other mirror. I come in close so you could see it. Look how great that looks. Aren't these adorable? She loves these. I got these at Hobby Lobby on the big 75 clearance sale. She loves them. She thinks they're so cute. Guys, I bought 3 sets of these. I think I'm going to use them for my fall decor on my mantle. I have an idea for them. I think they're going to look so cute. Because I got a bunch of them. And then she's got that little, it's metal, that little sign up there. It's just a little purse. But I think the mirror looks so cute. Let me pan back so you can see it all. There it is. Okay, and then over here, I just did a cross wall for her. The mirrored cross is my original cross. When I was a little girl, my grandpa made it. If you know me, if you've been in my channel for a while, you know that my grandfather used to be a mirror maker. My dad's dad, he used to make mirrors, and it's like all hand etched. God, this is an antique because, well, it must be at this point, because it used to be my grandmother's, and my grandfather died, oh God, almost 40 years ago. So he would have made that way in the early 1900s. Because my dad's pretty old. My dad's 75. So, yeah, it's old. Anyways, sorry for the babbling. Okay, so that's her room. Let me pan around so you can see it a little bit better. And she's just got, teenage girl decor on her night tables. I love the bedding. The bedding's cute. She loves it. And this child of mine loves to sleep with the blankets. She's got this big, thick blanket. And then she just draped. She actually made her bed. So we're going to give her kudos for that. She actually made her bed. And she draped her she's got 2 other blankets. A Victoria's Secret one and then some pink one. But I think she did really good. Oh, let me show you this part of her room. Because this is cute. I'll spin you around and show you this. And then I'll show you her closet. And you get another look of it. Okay. So behind her door here, she's got this cheerleader street sign. And we had to put it on an angle. In the old house, we had it straight across. But on this house, we had to put it on an angle. And she just has some of her favorite bows and some of her medals. And then this is when she went, she cheered at Disney for UCA. She was at UCA Nationals. And she just loves it. She's a cheerleader. Okay, let me show you her closet. Okay, guys, this is her closet. Now, this is her mother's child. She loves shoes just as much as I do. And you know what? I'm going to give her full props for this because she has organized this all by herself. I did not help. She's got her laundry basket. She's got her cheer bag. She's got all her shoes. And the closet's real big. Like, it's pretty big. She's got, she is her mother's daughter. She's got all her stuff up there. I know this looks messy, but let me spin you around. I'll show it to you. And yeah, so that's the closet. We're in the closet right now. She did a really good job. You know, I think she did a good job for a teenager. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. I didn't want to take up too much of your time. I think I'm just going to make this video real short. But I think we all have to give Angela some big thumbs up because she did most of this, guys. She really did decorate most of this. I mean, I helped a little bit. I added some touches, like I thought about the lights and the greenery. She's like, Mom, I need candles. I'm like, no, we'll put greenery up there. It'll be cuter. But she did this all on her own, pretty much. I think she's my child. It's safe to say she's mine. Oh my God, her bathroom is so cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna film it right now, right after this video, because I'd like to have it up for you guys for Wednesday, because yours truly on Wednesday. Yeah, guess where I'm going? I'm going back to Buffalo. I'm going shopping. Guys, I need fall decor. I need traditional fall decor. That's what's going on. So, and I want to get it now because I want to plan out my fall decor and I want to get it all done. Okay, that is it. That is it for my video. I'm not going to ramble. I'm not going to talk too much because you all know I like to talk. Have a fantastic, fantastic week ahead. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart for all your amazing comments on Friday's video. I'm glad we all had a laugh about me. Happy shopping, guys. Happy decorating. I love you. I love you. I love you. Have a fantastic week. I have a crazy busy week, but it's going to be awesome. Awesome. Already declaring that it's going to be awesome. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys. Mwah. Love you guys.